Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video about Swiss chard. You want to get more nutrients, but you're sick of the same old vegetables? Swiss chard is what you need. Today, we'll talk about Swiss chard's many health benefits and its surprising nutritional profile, which makes it a powerhouse vegetable. Swiss chard is a vegetable that is full of nutrients and has many health benefits. Some of the most important reasons to eat Swiss chard are: Swiss chard is high in vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamins K, A, and C, and minerals like iron and potassium. Anti-inflammatory properties. Swiss chard contains chemicals that reduce inflammation, which may help lower the risk of getting heart disease, diabetes, and other long-term diseases. Rich in antioxidants. Swiss chard is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage and may lower the risk of some types of cancer. Good for digestion. Swiss chard has a lot of fiber, which helps digestion and keeps the bowels moving regularly. May help you lose weight. Swiss chard's high fiber content may also help you lose weight by making you feel full and satisfied for longer. Swiss chard has a lot of vitamin K, which is important for bone health. If you don't get enough vitamin K, your bones can become weak. Good for your eyes. The vitamin A in Swiss chard can help keep your eyes healthy and prevent eye diseases that come with age. Swiss chard is good for your immune system. The vitamin C in Swiss chard can help strengthen your immune system and keep you from getting sick. Before making any big changes to your diet, you should always talk to a healthcare professional. Swiss chard is a leafy green vegetable that can be cooked in many different ways. Here are a few ways that Swiss chard is often cooked. Sautéing. To make a simple and tasty side dish, chop Swiss chard in a pan with a little olive oil, garlic, and salt. Steaming. Steam Swiss chard for a few minutes until it is soft and wilted. This method is a great way to keep the chard's healthy nutrients. Roasting. Toss Swiss chard with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then roast it in the oven to make a side dish that is crispy. Stir fry. For a quick and easy meal, stir fry Swiss chard in a hot pan with a little oil and other ingredients like garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. In soups and stews, Swiss chard can be added to soups and stews to make them healthier and taste better. The stems and leaves of Swiss chard cook at different rates, so it's best to use them separately when cooking. The stems can be cooked for a few minutes longer than the leaves. Also, Swiss chard can taste a little bitter, so it is often combined with acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar to make the flavors more balanced. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. We'll tell you more about how simple changes to your diet and way of life can improve your health and well-being. Don't wait any longer. Start eating Swiss chard in your meals right now and see how it can improve your health. So, make sure to watch our video all the way to the end to find out all the good things Swiss chard can do and some tasty ways to cook.